Welcome to Campus Life 101, or as we like to call it, How to Be an Adult. Today's lesson, laundry. Some of you have never done your own laundry before, and maybe find the entire process mystifying. That's fine. In fact, that's exactly why we're here. So unless you intend to conduct a year-long science experiment, we recommend you keep watching and learn how to keep things clean. Let's get started with your handy GW laundry list, so to speak. There are a few basics you've got to have: detergent, fabric softener, a hamper, and a way to pay. More on payment later. We also recommend a few extras to make sure your clothes last a little longer. A stain remover will pre-treat bad stains before you put them in the washing machine, and a small mesh bag is a way to protect your delicates during the wash and dry cycles. Now that we have our supplies, let's move on to where and how you do your laundry on campus. There are laundry machines conveniently located throughout our residence halls and elsewhere on campus. We've got a lot of students doing a lot of laundry, so even with plenty of machines, they fill up fast. The good news is all of our machines are connected to the GW Laundry Tracker app. The GW Laundry Tracker not only enables you to check the availability of machines on campus 24/7 via your smartphone or computer, but it also lets you reserve an open machine at a specific time of your choosing. You can also receive a text when your laundry cycle is complete, so you can switch it to the dryer or pick up your fresh and clean clothes. Please move and remove your clothes ASAP so others can use the machines. Paying for your laundry is simple. Every machine on campus takes quarters or your G-World card. Without further ado, here's the dirt on getting your clothes clean. A crucial first step when starting your laundry is checking the tags for special washing instructions. Some clothes want cold water. Some clothes should be air dried. This tag is your friend. Listen to your friend. Once you've checked for special instructions, sort your clothes into different loads based on those instructions. The four most common categories are dark colors, together with cold water, whites with hot water, delicate items with cold water, and towels and sheets with hot water. If you have to mix and match a little, or just aren't sure what to do, cold water is the safest bet. If you are washing new clothing, make sure you wash it only with like colors, or even wash it entirely by itself, to prevent colors from bleeding and staining your other clothes. Warning, do not overload the machines. They will break, and your dorm mates will be mad at you. Now that you've sorted your clothes and are ready to load the machine, make sure to check and empty any pockets. Obviously, you don't want to run your phone through the wash, but paper, gum, and other loose items can damage your clothes and the machines. Once you've loaded the washing machine, check for instructions on where to pour your detergent and liquid fabric softener. Set the cycle and temperature to match the load and start your machine. After the clothes are washed, it's time for the dryer. A couple things to keep in mind. Be sure to clean out the lint trap before and after using the dryer. And you should never put things made of wool, like sweaters, into the dryer. The heat can make them and other natural fabrics shrink. You should hang dry those. Like the washing machine, the dryer has multiple settings depending on the type of clothes you're trying to dry. Choose the setting that best describes the clothes. Once you've properly loaded your clothes and selected the correct settings, you can add your fabric softener dryer sheets if you didn't use the liquid version in the washing machine. Then, fire it up. Most loads take anywhere from 45 to 90 minutes. Don't forget to use the GW Laundry Tracker to keep tabs on your clothes, and once your load is dry, empty the machine, fold your clothes, and take them back home. We hope you found this episode of Campus Life 101 helpful. Stay tuned for more episodes on mastering life skills on GW's campus and beyond. Raise high!